Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put text over image here in Webflow. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Webflow, I need you to click the sign up option, and from there, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Putting text over an image in Webflow is a very straightforward process and is a common design technique that can create a visually appealing and engaging layout because now combining text with images creates a striking visual effect that can capture users' attention more effectively than plain text or images alone. Now I'm going to delete this specific image and I'm going to drag another one. Now this is going to be the image that I'm going to work with. I'm going to drag this image right here. Now to put a text over this specific image, the next thing that you need to do is now switch back to the editor on the left side panel of your dashboard and go to add elements. I need you to click on this, the typography, all right? You have headings, you have text block, paragraph, link, text link, and rich text. Now for now, I'm going to drag a heading, drag here. All right, so we have now the heading. It's just in the bottom. I'm gonna put it on the height, maybe like 300 for now. There you go. Now I'm gonna rename this heading. I'm gonna put in Andy's Guides. Okay, I'm gonna choose the color for this one. Gonna make it like different impact and color. Gonna make it like maybe this one, all right, to make it more visually appealing. After that, the next thing that you need to do is go to the position. Now make sure you select the relative. For example, it's on static or it's in absolute. I want you to go to relative because you would have more option here. There's going to be an auto at the left side and auto at the right side. You see, when you click on the auto here, all right, there should be an arrow that can you drag it down. For example, this one, you see, you can go to the left side and obviously you can go to the right side as well. So you have the mobility. And of course, we're going to the top to put it on the Andy's Guides. As you can see, it's now over the text, over the image. All right, so I'm gonna go to the color again, make it transparent so that we can have it. You see that one? So the effect is basically putting the text here and drag it somewhere on the center. It's just hard. It takes a little while to get used to it. Of course, you also have an option to change the font to maybe like a 200. There you go. Now let's scroll down in here. Gonna put it down a little bit. That's basically how you can also put a value here if you wanted to make it more maybe like, and that's how you basically put text over image here in Webflow. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.